Today, let me introduce to you our WIFI Smart Wi-Fi remote control. First, you need to copy the original remote control inside this WIFI intelligent remote control by using our WI200 or another WI clone device. Now this one is okay. Let us take a test.
可以。下，没问题。
And now take out your phone. We're gonna to configure the network for it. Then turn on both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your phone. After turning on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on the phone, next, we need to prepare to operate the WIFI Smart remote control on the wall. Let's first open the Smart Life Smart Living app. Next, we will press and hold the middle button of this WIFI Smart device. This stop button. Long press for 2 seconds. Wait until the red light goes out. The blue light is flashing when the red light out. If the blue light starts flashing, it means that the WIFI Smart device has entered a learning state. Let's click on this on the app to add devices. App will discover the WIFI device. After discovering the device, we click on Add Device. Then we need to enter the Wi-Fi password here to connect. Then click on the next step to connect WIFI device. And then this is connecting. It will take a few seconds. The connection is complete now. Click OK. After completion, it will automatically redirect to this control interface of this app. Let's give it a try. Up. OK, now stop. Now, down. We also can change a username for this controller. For example, if I change the name to FM Garage, enter then click OK. Then WIFI Smart Remote Control can also share to another user. If you want to share it with others, click here in the upper right corner of this interface. Shared devices can be accessed through WeChat, etc. They can use their phones to control this WIFI device easily. Thank you for your support.